Hello, my name is William.
My name is Benjamin.
And I'm William. We're sophomores in the Scientific Research Specialty Program at the Islands High School.
Our study was on the effect that nest box orientation has on reproductive success in different songbird species.
We inherited this project from past research classes that have gotten solid results in our field of study. We've expanded on these results and will further collect data that shows us the reproductive success of our songbirds.
The two study species we discovered in our project were the Carolina chickadee and the eastern bluebird. We placed nest boxes in two different study sites, which were on the campus of Islands High School and the Oak Ridge Golf Course at the landings on Skidaway.
We spread our nest boxes at 24 meters apart and checked them every 3 days. At both study sites, we faced a third of the nest boxes towards a forest habitat, a third towards a water habitat, and a third towards grassy habitat.
Those are some of the many variables we have to control when performing the study. However, Hurricane Matthew was one event that we could not control this year. It had a devastating impact on our study because it destroyed several nest boxes. Recently, we had to put up 11 new nest boxes to replace those lost around the Islands High School campus.
We ordered the new nest boxes from the same company, which was Wild Birds Unlimited. This kept the dimensions on the new ones similar to the dimensions on the old ones, thus keeping the variables the same.
Last year, we found that the nest boxes facing the forest habitat had the higher songbird reproductive success rate. The nest boxes facing the water had the second highest success rate, and the nest boxes facing the grassy area had the least amount of success.
We hypothesized that the nest boxes will have similar results this year. We still believe that the nest boxes oriented toward the forest habitat will show significantly more success in songbird reproduction.
So far, we can conclude that the two species that we found in our study favor nesting in the forest habitat the most, followed by the water habitat and the grassy habitat respectively.
We believe that this is due to a better microclimate for the songbirds when facing trees, as they are hidden from predators and protected from weather elements, including precipitation and wind.
Also, the only benefit for bird species living in nest boxes near the water is that they have an abundance of food. However, because the bird species do not receive much coverage and protection from the water habitat, they usually choose to live in the forest.
Lastly, we conclude that the birds do not like an open grassy area because it is easier for predators to locate them. They are not protected by any trees or shrubs and most likely cannot protect themselves if they are attacked by a predator.
Here we will show you how we set up one of our nest boxes. Notice that the entrance of this nest box is facing towards the forest, therefore it will be marked as facing the forest. We place baffles on the nest box support pole to prevent predation from raccoons and other animals.
After we set up a nest box, we wait for bird activity and record our findings in the weeks that follow. A nest box in a specific habitat is considered successful if we can find at least one nestling fledged in it.
Our study is important because we give our results to bird enthusiasts and conservation organizers that can aid in helping birds survive. We also can use our research to discover alternative ways that we can keep birds safe from predation and different weather patterns.
From the time we inherited this project to today, we have developed an interest in our study, and after this presentation, we hope that y'all have too. Thank you.